Welcome to the ProjectNote video series. In this video tutorial, I'm going to discuss naming file pages in ProjectNote. Let's get started. How file pages are named has a tremendous impact on the effectiveness of ProjectNote. File names should be clear in description. Naming a file page that is not understandable to a common person is very limiting in finding information. Second, it should be consistent in structure. File pages should follow a consistent order of information that easily identifies the information, and a consistent structure to the file names will greatly enhance the usability of ProjectNote and will aid in searches for specific project information. And third, the file page should be identifiable in time. File page names should always include the date in which the file was received or created and distributed to the design team. This is not only important for order based on chronology, but for proper ordering and relocation of file pages that were created by different team members. Now let's demonstrate proper file page naming. We have a file that we've created that was a construction estimate completed during the construction phase of a project. Since on our project dashboard, we can go right to the construction document estimate under the project budget heading of our dashboard. Let's add a page. And now let's open our documents file. Let's select the document. Let's drop and drag. And let's insert the printout. And let's insert it on a single page. This is important because every page of this document needs to be associated on this single page for proper naming and filing in ProjectNote. And here's our construction estimate. Now let's name the page properly. For consistency's sake, we always need to start with the date because that's the chronology of how the project develops. Let's add the proper file name beginning with the date, since everything needs to align in chronological order within the project notebook. The date that this was created was March 8th, 2013, and the file is called EFIS Brand Wall Cost Estimate. Our file page has now been named properly. We've got a clear, identifiable time in which the file was created. We've got a consistent and clear description. And if we follow this same format in all of our file pages that we create, we now have a consistent format for every team member to follow. You can see that having a consistent file naming structure is very important as the project progresses and file pages are added to file sections. Just to recap, a file page should have a clear description, a consistent structure, and identifiable in time. Until next time, remember, when you control the project information, you control the project.